What is the difference between Bitcoin and digital currencies on the stock exchange market? The main difference between Bitcoin, other cryptocurrencies and central bank digital currencies, CBDC, is the form of issuance and distribution. BTC and altcoins, a term used to identify any cryptocurrency other than Bitcoin, are decentralized. In other words, there is no government or country in control. The rules, therefore, are dictated by those involved in the projects, as well as by the users. Central bank digital currencies, on the other hand, are issued and distributed by government bodies. CBDCs are digital representations of countries' fiat currencies being controlled by central banks, explained Ricardo Dantas, Colorado CEO of cryptocurrency broker Foxbit. In practice, therefore, a digital currency issued by a central bank is a virtual copy of the country's current money. Its value, therefore, is determined by a monetary authority. It is different from decentralized cryptocurrencies, whose prices vary according to the law of supply and demand. There are several ways to buy Bitcoin and altcoins. Exchanges, cryptocurrency ETFs and sector investment funds are some of the options. In the case of exchange, the user needs to choose one and open an account. In general, they ask for birth data, ID, CPF, CNPJ, in the case of a company, and address when registering, done online. Some also request a photo, selfie, to confirm identity. There are fees for withdrawals and transfers. The minimum investment for purchasing Bitcoin depends on each broker. In some of them the minimum value starts at 25 Brazilian reals, others deactivate 50 Brazilian reals. Cryptocurrency ETFs can be traded directly on the stock exchange like a share. Therefore, it is necessary to open an account with one of the 100 stockbrokers in the country. Registration also involves sending personal documents. It is important to remember that the investor, at the time of purchase, needs to pay brokerage and custody fees to brokers, in addition to B3 charges. There is also an administration fee. The initial shares of index funds, another name for ETF, varied between 14 Brazilian reals and 72 Brazilian reals at the beginning of October. Finally, it is also possible to buy Bitcoin through investment funds that allocate resources to the cryptocurrency. Until the beginning of this month there were 21 regulated options in the country. These products can be purchased through brokers or directly from managers. There are funds for retail, professional and specific investors. Registration will depend on the option and the framework. Minimum quotas vary depending on the fund and target audience. In some it is possible to invest from 500 Brazilian reals. As with ETFs, there are some fees, such as administration. Thank you, guys.